Hey guys, and welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Vivo Ultrawide monitor arm. So let's get started. So the best part of this arm beside me is it can manage full ultra-wide displays up to 38 inches. Now there is a weight limit, so you can only hold up to about 20 pounds. This monitor here is a 13-pound monitor and it does hold up quite well. Another great thing is that it is very inexpensive. At only around $50, this is a great arm for the price. Having an arm like this is a great addition to any setup and really helps in keeping your setup nice and clean. Ergonomically, having a monitor arm is really good because it helps to keep the monitor at eyes level when you're viewing your computer. Now, as you can see here, this model is the Vivo monitor arm, and it does hold up quite well with my ultra-wide display. It also gives me full manual control with the monitor, so I'm able to turn left and right, up and down, and tilt forward and backwards. And as you can see here, the monitor does have an arm to pull it forward and backwards, so if you do need to bring the display closer to yourself, you can by just simply pulling it out. Installation for the arm is also a screwless design. All you have to do is hand tighten the clamp from the bottom of the desk. So if you're looking for a great monitor arm with the strength to hold up your ultra-wide monitor, feel free to check out the product link in this description down below. So that's it for this video. Let me know what you guys think of the Vivo arm in the comments down below. Thanks for watching!